Aloha and mahalo. Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This episode we're going to Las Vegas. I'm going to go to the world famous Peppermill and have a pina colada. And we also have Appies with Chappy by the lake. So join me, my little Chihuahua Mookie. We saved you a seat at the bar. Aloha. Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. We got a great episode coming up. For Appies with Chappy by the lake, I'm going to make a pulled pork pockets from wonton wrappers. I have a song, pulled pork pockets from wonton wrappers. But first up, I'm going to have a pina colada at the Peppermill on the Las Vegas Strip, located at 2985 Las Vegas Boulevard. So if you like pina coladas and getting drunk in Las Vegas, this is the bar we're looking for. Some of the movies that were filmed at the Peppermill are the movie Casino with Robert De Niro, Showgirls, there was a CSI Las Vegas episode, and 2 music videos, Carlos Santana, Feeling It Coming Back, and Adam Lambert's Another Lonely Night, both filmed right here at the Peppermill. The Peppermill is also the oldest bar on the Las Vegas Strip. The bartender told me the most famous person he saw in there was Floyd Mayweather, and he tipped everyone in there $100, even the busboys. And next to the lounge, they do have a 24-hour restaurant. They have a wide menu with amazing breakfasts. Anthony Bourdain also stopped in on his Las Vegas episode of No Reservations. It used to be right next to the famous Riviera Casino, which is no longer there. As you can see, they have poker machines at the bar, and they got that cool water fountain fireplace in the center. Very retro, very old school Las Vegas. I just love this place. There's my pina colada. It was very good. Appies with Chappy by the lake. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today for an appetizer, we got some mini pulled pork pockets made from wontons. I'm gonna make a quick beverage. This is one of my all-time favorite beverages. This is the drink I made on my very first episode, very first drink I ever made on YouTube. It's a Negroni. Just 3 components, 1 part Campari, 1 part gin, and 1 part sweet vermouth. And that, my friends, is a Negroni. Looks like there's a lot of aphids out here, so I'm going to take my pulled pork mini pockets in the house with my Negroni. So that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit the notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.